Okay, guys, so either I am brave or crazy, but we're gonna see which. So we're having this storm, major snowstorm, and I'm crazy. So my garden shoes do not come out here, Lucy. Move. My garden shoes are out here, and I stepped on the mat. The mat is wet, so my socks is wet. All right, so I think I'm proving that I'm crazy, but here's the thing. The last frost we had, I was not prepared for, but my plant survived. I should have probably tried to do this yesterday. It's raining a bit, so I cannot be out here forever. But my plants look like they're doing well. However, it is supposed to drop really low tonight. As you guys can see, look at here. Look at all of this rain that has taken place already. Oh, and I'm making my way. Thank God for these boots, though. So let's go take a look at the plants. Ooh, look at there, look at there. Hey guys. Hey guys, look how nicely they're growing. I think this happened from the last time. I don't know if that means that something is wrong with it. I don't think so. Um, this one looks like, I mean, it's still alive. I don't know if it's gonna come too. I should prune it, but right now I'm gonna leave it because that'll help with some insulation. And my lettuce, it's gone. I don't know what happened. Maybe that's what my dog's been out here eating up. This one seems to be doing pretty well. Yeah, that one, they are just been some real boogers because they've been jumping up here in them. So I don't know, but here, I am just gonna put a bag over these, okay? So we can see if they still survive this. And if anything else, it's a garden experiment in which I have chalked this whole past year up to with being a beginner gardener. You just don't know um, until you actually start growing. You cannot be prepared for everything. And so you just do what you can. Let's see, open this up a little bit more. And then next year, I'm gonna be a little bit more ready for fall and winter. Okay. So how are you guys faring? Matter of fact, are you guys in that line of major snowstorm in which we probably won't have snow? It'll probably just be an ice storm for us. Okay, there we go. All right. So am I gonna try to save this one? I only brought two out here. Oh, should I say try to save this one or this one? So the next one to it, we're definitely gonna go ahead on and put one over the bigger one. Oh, my daughter asked if she could come out here. She sure would have been a big help with holding the camera for me, but she doesn't have protective boots like I do. All right. Whew. All right. Oh, look at here. Something is coming up in here. I don't know if that was something else that I pulled up. It looked like grass though, so maybe not. Over there are my garlics. We're gonna leave them out. I don't know. I think they need coal. So this is good for them. We're gonna try to save you and see. So there we have it. I got a truck on back to the house. Whew. It is cold out here. The high was supposed to get up to like 41 around 2. It is around 4 right now. So, whew, these boots certainly did come in handy. I got, so what are you doing to prepare yourself for this wave of weather? Whether you're going to be getting snow or more ice. For us, the whole city shuts down because, most people in the South, we're just not prepared for this type of weather. We don't have all the trucks that put all the salt and everything down. Okay, well, look, there's my son crying. So mommy is calling. But anyway, usually when it rains like this and the temperature drops, the issue is not whether it snows or not. It's the wait a minute, but it is the rain that ends up freezing on the roads, and because they can't get around to all of the roads and put salt on them, it just makes for a mess. Okay, so as you can see, I have to go. My kids are calling. But anyway, let me know how things are looking where you are and what measures you're taking to protect your garden or your plants if you're a container gardener like me, but not for long. I'm going to be a bed garden soon, I hope. All right, bye, y'all.